everyone, it's Shivani here from Modern Day Chivalry, and I'm here today to show you guys how to do 3 simple, sleek, easy looks using Luxy hair extensions. So these 3 styles that I'll be showing you guys are super quick, easy, and effective for when you have second or third day hair. The Luxy hair extensions I will be using are in dark brown. They are the 220 gram set because I do have a bit of a thicker set of hair, but they are also the perfect color, perfect match to my hair. As you can see, I am dark brown, and you will see shortly that these blend in perfectly. If you have thick hair like me, this is perfect. It'll blend just fine. Before I get started, I just want to mention that I did get my Luxys blended for my hair. So what I mean by that is that I got them cut and blended while being in my hair when I got my hair cut recently. So they blend and mesh a lot better with the style of my hair, with the layers in my hair. So that is definitely an option for you guys when you do buy Luxys. You can do that, you don't have to, but I did it because my hair has tons of layers and these guys needed to be blended in. I do have my own channel called Modern Day Chivalry, so once you guys are done watching this video, feel free to hop on over to my channel to watch more Luxy hair videos. And enough of me blabbering, let's get started.
Alright, for look number 1, I'm going to be doing a sleek wrapped top knot. This look is perfect for those days when you just don't want to get hair all up in your face and you just want it out of the way and out for the day. Once you gathered your hair and wrapped it in that top knot, I'm going to now use some bobby pins to clip away any sort of tiny pieces that like to fall out. Hairspray down all that hair using a nice thin comb. I like to kind of comb the hair back. And then taking a two clip weft from my Luxys, I'm going to then clip the back parts of my hair with the Luxys so you can't really see it. And then once I've clipped it perfectly in the bun, I'm going to take that piece and wrap it around to kind of put that bun together and make it look a little more sleek and less messy. And I'm going to bobby pin that down. And this is the first look completed. Seriously, only takes a few minutes using a Luxy piece. That's all you need to add that sleekness to the bun. For look number 2, I'm going to be doing a sleek wrapped ponytail. So with this, I'm taking just a little bit of hair from the crown of my head where you want your ponytail. I'm going to brush that out and create a smaller ponytail as the base of our big ponytail. As you can see here, just that little tiny base, and I need to add some wefts to it to add some volume. So I'm going to be taking a 3 clip weft first, and I'm just going to be clipping that around the tiny ponytail I've created, and it wraps around perfectly. I'm going to add a bit more wefts to my hair, so I'm taking another 3 clip weft, and I'm just going to be clipping that on top of the first weft that we put in and clipping that all around that ponytail again. And because I love a thick ponytail, I'm going to add another 2 clip weft to finish off that little mini ponytail that we've got going on. And again, just clipping it around the original ponytail. You can add as many wefts as you like. So once I've gotten the amount that I wanted, I'm now just going to gather the rest of my hair to create that full-bodied ponytail. So as you can see, it's just so camouflaged, you can't even tell I'm wearing Luxys in my hair. And once I've gathered my ponytail, smoothed out the base of my hair, I'm then just going to gather all of that hair and wrap it in an elastic. And of course, nothing is completed without a little bit of hairspray to get rid of those baby hairs. So again, just back combing with that thin comb. You can also use a toothbrush if you like for this, but I just go in with the back of the comb and then switch to the front of the comb to really sleek out my hair. I find this is better on my hair because it is a bit thicker, but you can use whatever you prefer. I'm then using a 1 clip weft and just wrapping that around the base of the ponytail to just clean it up a little bit, and of course to hide that elastic band that I used before. Once you've completed wrapping that weft around, just bobby pin that down for security. This is the completed second look. I can't believe that this could be pulled off on second and third day hair. This is definitely going to be a statement look of mine now. For the final third look, I'm going to be doing a sleek down look. So I'm going to first use my comb to just separate my hair and get that perfect middle part going on, and kind of comb all my hair down, make sure the flyaways are all down. And I'm going to start off with a 2 clip weft, and I'm going to be placing that not too low on my head because my hair is thick. I want to make sure to gather all my wefts together, put them close together so that they blend better. And so with that, I'm placing that on the midpoint of my head. So after I tie away that layer, I'm just going to now take a little piece of hair that I'm going to clip my Luxy to, and I'm going to back comb it to tease it so it is more secure when you clip down your Luxys. This actually holds down the Luxys a lot better. Even though they have stronger clips, you want to make sure that you are back combing. It just leaves your hair a little bit more secure during the day. So I put my 2 clip weft. Now I'm moving on to the second layer, so I'm just going to pull down maybe like ½ inch more of hair, not too much because again I want to clip my Luxys closer together. And I'm going to be back combing a little section that I will be clipping my Luxys to. And then using a 3 clip weft, I'm just going to be clipping down that hair right above that 2 clip weft that we placed beforehand. Repeating the first step, I'm now taking down another ½ inch of hair just to place our next weft with, and I'm just going to tie away the rest of my hair to keep it out of the way. Taking that comb and back combing that little piece for us to clip our Luxy to, and since I'm going to be using a 4 clip weft, I teased a little bit more than I would just because it is going to take up more space. And I'm starting by clipping the middle 2 clips first and then pulling the farther 2 clips upwards just to match the shape of my head. This is a tip that really helps me. Not only does back combing help, but the way that I place my Luxys in my hair really helps because it goes all along the shape of my head. Now that I have the wefts that I need into my hair, I'm just going to hairspray on my comb actually and comb down my hair. So this just allows the hairspray to be distributed a little more evenly, doesn't make it feel a little bit too heavy, and I'm going to be doing it against the back of the comb as well to press down any sort of flyaways. This is a really nice trick that I like to do because I'm not too big of a hairspray fan, but when I need to use it, this is how I like to do it. And that is the completed third look. As you can see, it is used a lot on celebrities. I was super inspired by this look, and it is so easy to achieve with my Luxy hair, and it's just so sleek and so long, and I love it so much.
Okay guys, that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching how I made these 3 easy hairstyles using Luxy Hair. Be sure to tag any photos of yourself wearing your Luxys by tagging @Luxy Hair or #Luxy Hair. Be sure to check out my channel Modern Day Chivalry where I've posted another Luxy Hair tutorial. I'll leave a link in the description box below. For more Luxy Hair videos, be sure to click right here.